Custom Subplans. The new Custom Subplan feature allows you to organize elements of your design onto subplans, so you have the complete control what is visible in 2D or 3D. To create a new subplan, on the Plan tabs bar, click on Subplan Settings. Click on the Add button, enter the new subplan name and click OK. To move an object to a subplan, right-click on the object, move to Plan, click to select the subplan where you would like to move the object and click OK. On the Plan tabs bar, click on Subplan Settings, click to select the subplan. Edit the 2D or 3D visibility and click OK. To add, rename, or delete template, click on the Add, Rename, or Delete button and click OK. Thanks for watching.